and we'll go back to that crazy hair life. Talking about this one. See, pull it out, it's still taped up. Forgotten altogether what I was going to say. Oh, yeah. So we pulled it out, just to let us get down this side of it. Pulled it out today, continuation from when we began. So we pulled it out to get down the side of it to get to what we couldn't get to. So she's had a couple of passes and touch-ups and bits and pieces. She's wow, that's sunny. So she's pretty much done as far as machine polishing. So probably gonna clean the gauge out, bring her back in, untape her, and start and wipe down last minute touches, any last minute cleaning we want to do before putting a coat of Nippon Shine's Finest on it. Living that JDM life, yo. Yeah, so I'm gonna quick clean up, bring her back in. Now she's taped up, tidy up because I've just got stuff everywhere. It has been a mega full week, working full time and coming out to do this around work. So I think we're all good. I'll probably leave this video here for today because it finishes off machine polishing. I'll start the tape up and picking out the additional bits to clean, but you can't machine polish anyway, like in the boot. Yeah, we'll go from there. Hit like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. Oh, it's really dark. We're just going to move some of the tape, get the car a little bit more ready for waxing and some last minute cleanup bits. Probably going to have the brakes done, start on the brakes soon, so we'll just pull this off. That is one big ball of tape. So some of you might be asking why I took this off before I've waxed the car. The answer is easy. There's a lot of dust created in machine polishing. Some people keep on top of it. I didn't really. So I'm gonna wash the car, and it gives me a chance to address some of the other areas. So I'm just gonna leave it at that and pick it when it's time to go and wash.